Hi, my name is Mason Florence and I'm an orthopedic surgeon here at Athens Orthopedic Clinic. So I attended the University of Georgia for undergraduate and then the Medical College of Georgia for medical school and orthopedic residency. Following residency, I attended the University of Alabama at Birmingham for a foot and ankle fellowship. So I specialize in conditions related to the foot and ankle. Those conditions include arthritis, soft tissue, sports-related injuries. Here at Athens Orthopedic Clinic, we are able to do total ankle replacements as well as minimally invasive soft tissue and reconstruction. Foot and ankle pain can be very difficult and debilitating, so it's very exciting to be able to work with someone to help improve their symptoms and pain and get them back to doing activities that they desire to do. So one of the relatively newest procedures, at least from the standpoint of implants and designs, is the ankle replacement. Over the past several years, there's been a significant increase in the technology with the ankle replacement, thus allowing us to have a better outcome with ankle replacement. And that's usually for ankle arthritis that otherwise would require an ankle fusion, leaving the ankle fairly stiff. Now with ankle replacements, we're able to maintain motion, improve quality of life and function, just as though a knee or hip replacement would do. We here at AOC do offer specialized care, and I believe the advantage of specialized care is that the surgeon is incredibly familiar with all things that are related to that specific area and very familiar and accomplished in the surgeries and techniques that go with that, thus allowing us to provide excellent care to the patient. So patients don't have to live with pain. With the advancements of orthopedic foot and ankle technology, we have the ability now to provide excellent outcomes and pain relief for most all conditions.